Did not stop it, or he didn't stop it. Another technical foul in the second half.
53-19, 14-point advantage. The two free throws coming up here.
Tingnan ko, anak ko na isole yung ano. Tingnan ko.
At the score once again for Bangka Ginebra. Maybe that was what they needed. Step out of that baseline. Take another look at this game. It was stepping towards that direction, right? And then you think he with the ball in real time. But that is the smaller players on the minute of the doubt.
Ang nilalakihan.
Pero attack. Ito si Jampet Aguilar. Aggressively chasing those shots and the secondary defender. Trying to work with here for Geraldo. But he sends it out. Lose the opportunity. That will not go in. And South will take the rebound for Ginebra. They never thought about keeping Geraldo half day. It is about 12. The uprising that will come throughout this ball game. But we'll take it early for South. The leaders go off the bench. Ball in this fourth quarter. Second quarter, rather. For a late 35-21, 40-48 for Bangka Ginebra. And a watch on him.
From LA to North from the slam. Jumping.